welcome back to my channel. So I am going to style my hair and do something completely different. I'm going to try a new style I've never tried before. So this is my hair fully detangled and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So stick around. So you want to start off by making a triangle part, just like you see me doing here. Let me tell you guys, I was struggling to make this triangle part. Even after picking up all of my sections, I realized it was crooked, so I had to take one section down, this one in particular, and just redo it. So the items that you will need for this hairstyle is some water, a rat tail comb, some rubber band elastics, your edge control, and a toothbrush to lay down your edges. So you see me struggling. You start off by making a line across, just like you see me doing right here. And you want to take your toothbrush and dip it in your edge control or gel, whatever product you will be using, and just put it on the root. You want to make sure that you remove or slick down any flyaways or frizz. And if you have hair like me that's in the way, just pick it up with a butterfly clip. So you want to make sure that you secure that front section with a rubber band and then move on to the next section. So again, making your part all the way across and then putting away any hair that you're not working with. So with that second section, you're going to split it in half. And you're going to do the same thing. Take your toothbrush, dip it in your edge control, and apply it at the root to make sure you slick it down nice and good. And you're going to take that front section and split it in half. Half of that is going to this section right here, and the other half will go to the section right beside it. So since we're working with rubber bands, I highly suggest dipping it in some oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, some kind of oil, just to make sure that it does not cause any breakage in your hair, since that's what we're using to style it. So for the third section, you're going to split it into 3. And you're pretty much going to repeat the same steps. So we're going to clip that back since we're not working with it right now. We're going to take the section to the right, apply that edge control, and then for that previous section, we're going to split it in half. And we will secure that section with a rubber band. And now we're going to work with the opposite side. So same thing, split it in half. So we're pretty much working with the outer corners. So we're going to secure that, and now we're going to move on to the middle section. So as you guys can see, we'll actually be incorporating half of each front section to that right there. And secure it with that rubber band. You want to try to get as close to the root as possible. We don't want any puffy areas for this hairstyle. Now for this last section, we're going to split it into 4. Take that previous section, split it in half, and secure it, just like we did previously. Repeat the same steps. So this section that I'm tying up has 3 parts, 3 sections of hair, and so will the next one. So not only are you taking the middle, but you're taking the other parts as well. And you guys will see what I'm talking about as soon as I'm done securing it. And there it is. That is the finished look. Now you can definitely dress up this hairstyle. You can add your accessories to it. But for the purpose of this hairstyle, I'm not going to add any accessories to it. What I'm doing right now is just slicking down my sides. So for a second, I was definitely feeling this top bun with a low ponytail. I considered it, but that's not the original idea that I had for this hairstyle. So let me do the hairstyle that I wanted. So all I'm doing is just putting it back in a ponytail, in a low ponytail. Now, if you don't want to rock a puff, you can definitely curl up your ponytail, and if not, you can also do some flexi rods, some perm rods. You have a lot of different options, but I'm just keeping it in a puff. The last step is definitely just slicking down your sides with some edge control, some gel. It's pretty much personal preference. And that is it. What I like about this hairstyle is that you can definitely keep it in for a solid week. And if anything, all you will have to do is refresh it if you take down your ponytail. Sleep with a scarf on, throw on your satin bonnet, and you're easily good to go.
If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and tap on that bell. That way you guys are notified when I make my next video. But if you guys want a sneak peek or want to know how my hair looks like during the week, or if I change up the style, make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram. That way you guys don't miss anything. So I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.